Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am challenging myself to paint a landscape in 1 minute. Now that's sky, details, land, everything in only 60 seconds. So I think it will be challenging, but I want you to let me know after you've watched the video, did I totally succeed or completely fail at this landscape 1 minute challenge?
All right, so first I'm going to start out with a little cheat sheet kind of direction that I want to go in. So for the sky, I'm writing down the colors. I want blue, pink, and yellow, and I want to do these really wispy strokes. I've kind of got some sketches to the side explaining that. And then for the land, I've decided I want to do kind of a desert feel with mountains, very minimal details. I understand that because I have very minimal time, it's probably just going to be a lot of really wispy strokes. But the main colors that I want included are tans, greens, golds, reds. So one of the biggest ways I'm going to be able to actually accomplish painting a landscape in 60 seconds is by prepping my paint. So one of the reasons I wrote down all of my paint colors is so now I have a reference for the paint that I want to use, keep everything cohesive, but also now I know exactly what paint I need to prepare in pools on my palette to make grabbing paint a lot easier and faster when I am painting this landscape. So I'm just preparing the blue, pinks, and yellows to the right for the sky. I really don't care if those mix too much because they'll mix on the paper, but I want to keep the yellow separate so it doesn't turn into a green. And then on the left here, I am mixing up my land colors. I also made sure to tape down my paper so that when I attack it with the paintbrush, it doesn't fly away. I set up my brushes to be ready and full of paint. I took a very deep breath here. I was a little nervous and pressed start. So I started with the sky, and in hindsight, I should have started with the land only because I spent probably too much time on the sky and then it didn't leave enough time for the land. But I loved how the sky turned out. Um, I thought it would have been cheating to do a wet on wet technique, like if I had wet the paper first, so everything is wet on dry. But you can tell it's kind of hard to very quickly get the paint moving across the paper. But now I'm done with the sky, but it's already been 30 seconds. So I only have 30 seconds for the main part, which is the land. I very, very quickly start swiping golds and browns, trying to wash my brushes between so I'm not totally muddying everything up. And then this is where I start to panic because I notice that I don't have any time left. And so I'm swiping and swiping and swiping to fill the rest of the page. So then the bottom half becomes this weird reddish green blob. And that is it. Time. So I actually didn't think it turned out too bad. I really love the sky, how the sky looks and the blending and the swipes and how it looks like clouds. This bottom area could have used more help, probably a lot more details and maybe a lot less red. But overall, I mean, I painted a landscape in 60 seconds. So let me know what you think. Was this a win? Was this a fail? Is it really ugly? Am I just too proud of myself for painting this in 60 seconds? Let me know what you think and let me know if you try this out. I would love to be tagged in any of your creations. I'll see you next time. Bye.